This is it on my face. This is how it's going to look like on your face. Do you have eczema on your face or any skin infection at all? Then this remedy is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Anos TV. If you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Susan and you're welcome to Anos TV. So guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to clear your skin infection, whether ringworm, eczema, any skin infection at all, or cream reaction on your skin. You know, some people they will change their cream, and the cream they change will start to bring some reaction on their skin. So guys, worry no more if you have it on your skin. Just this item will clean everything within 3 days. Just 3 days. I guarantee you 3 days. Use it and come back and tell me thank you. So let's go and prepare it. Okay guys, this is our potash. This is our potash. This one is the stone one. This one is the one I've blended. I grind it. So you can see I've grind it. So it was like this before, but I just grind it. Just look for, can break it, use your mortar. If you have that little mortar, anything at all, just to crush it, crush it, crush it, crush it, and let it give you something like this. Potash helps to fight against bacteria in our skin. Bacteria in our skin, it helps to fight against eczema, skin rashes, any skin infection at all. It helps to fight against it. It will remove it just within 3 days. You will not see it there again. Just try this recipe. It's very simple but very, very powerful. When we are growing up, we saw our elders using it. We were just like, what are these people doing? But now I know that yes, this thing is very, very helpful. And anybody I recommend it for, they'll come back telling me thank you ma, thank you ma, thank you ma, it works. So guys, you just need 1 teaspoon, just 1 teaspoon. Please don't mind the noise in the background. It's my neighbor trying to get his jellyfish. Just one, like this. Just put it in a container. Make sure it's very smooth. Make sure it's smooth. It will leave your skin so beautiful. You start telling others about it. It's very simple but very, very powerful. So I'm going to add some water, just some water to make it a paste. I'm not adding any other thing to it. It's just the potash. Just use it. So now we're going to stir it together. Stir it together. Just mix it together until everything dissolves properly. So that's it guys. You can apply this one now morning and evening before you sleep. Before you take your bath in the morning, you apply it. Before you take your bath in the evening, you apply it. Just apply, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it off. You rinse it off from your face, then just take your bath, touch your skin. You will see the way your skin will be soft, and after 2 to 3 days you see that you will not see that eczema or any cream infection in your skin again, any cream reaction in your skin again. Just try it and come back and tell me thank you for this recipe. So let me go and apply it so that I will show you, before you would say I make a recipe and I did not do the practical. That means I'm not using it. I'm just telling people what to do and I'm not using it. Let me apply it on my face so that you will see it. If you have cotton wool, you can just dab your cotton wool into it and use it to rub your face. Or if you have any face brush, can just use it to apply it on your face. So let me just show you how to apply it on my face. So guys, this is it on my face. This is how it's going to look like on your face. This is how it's going to look like. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it is. And I'm going to take my wipe. If you want to bathe, that's why I said you do this morning and evening before you have your bath. So before you just enter the bathroom, just apply it on your face like this. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, just enter, rinse it off. You're good to go. Then have your normal bath. You're okay. But I'm not bathing now. Yeah, I've already had my bath. So I'm using my wipe. I'll use my wipe. If you have any wipe at all, just wipe it off from your face. So let's clean it up. You see it. So guys, just wipe it off from your face, from that area you applied it on. Just clean it, clean it, clean it. Wipe it off from your face. That one is dirty already. Let me use another one. So you can keep this one. The remaining one, just keep it. If you're making your own, you can use another bowl, maybe any container that have cover, so that you can cover it and keep it anytime you want to use it. Something like this. Let me show you this container because I'm going to pour this one inside. See, something like this. Yeah, you can just use something like this. Pour it inside, keep it. It will not spoil. If the water get dried, add little water, stir it together, apply it on your face. You are good to go. So you can do this morning and night. If you have infection that you want to use it to clean, just use it straight 3 days, and you see the outcome of it. So my face is okay now. If you feel your face to be very smooth, very, very smooth. So my face is okay. I have my oil here, my homemade oil, anti-aging oil. We know how old. Don't worry, I'll show you guys how I make this oil. So if you have any oil at all, your face cream, anything, just apply it on your skin. Just apply it. Just apply it, and you are good to go. You want to make up, you are free to do your makeup. It will not affect your makeup. You are okay. Just do this morning, evening, and for 3 days you're good to go. Every infection, eczema will go. Then if you want to just use it for beauty, something just to make your face glow like my own. I don't have any eczema on my face. I'm just doing it to make the face smooth. So you can apply it once a week, once a month, anytime you just remember, you apply it. So guys, thank you. I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload amazing video. You see this, my hair? This is my hair. If you love my hair, subscribe to this channel and I will show you how I grow my hair like this. This is my hair, my hair, my hair. So guys, thank you. God bless you. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.